Walker County is canceled. The storms which prompted the warning have moved out of the warned area. Therefore, the warning has been canceled. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for Jefferson County. At 6:02 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Arkadelphia to Abernant, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: trained weather spotters. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, entries. Locations impacted include Birmingham, Hoover, Vestavia Hills, Bessemer, Homewood, Mountain Brook, Trussville, Hueytown, Gardendale, Irondale, Leeds, Fairfield, Fultondale, Sumiton, Center Point, Pleasant Grove, Clay, Pinson, Tarrant, and Midfield. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Jefferson, Alabama. Significant weather advisory for Walker County until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:27 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking strong thunderstorms along the line extending from near Camp McDowell to 6 miles east of Bully Springs. Movement was east at 30 miles per hour. Wind gusts of 50 to 55 miles per hour will be possible with these storms. Locations impacted include Jasper, Sumiton, Cordova, Dora, Parish, Oakman, Sipsey, Gorgas, Curry, Quinton, Gorgas Steam Plant, Smith Dam. The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for St. Clair County in central Alabama, Shelby County in central Alabama, until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:13 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Clay to near Tin Hill Ironworks State Park, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, entries. Locations impacted include Hoover, Alabaster, Pelham, Helena, Kell City, Leeds, Moody, Calera, Chelsea, Montevallo, Columbiana, Springville, Odenville, Wilsonville, Margaret, Argo, Indian Springs Village, Riverside, Vincent, and Rockland. This includes the following highways: Interstate 65 between mile markers 228 and 247. Interstate 59 between mile markers 148 and 156. Interstate 20 between mile markers 144 and 158. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama: Shelby and St. Clair. Significant weather advisory for Blount County until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:46 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking strong thunderstorms along the line extending from near Sardis to Arkadelphia. Movement was east at 25 miles per hour. Wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour will be possible with these storms. Locations impacted include Oneonta, Lunsville, Cleveland, Dallas, Warrior, Locust Fork, Aldina, Sneed, Susan Moore, Walnut Grove, Stratford, Allgood, Fairview, Hayden, Nectar, Rosa, County Line, Inland Lake, Blunt Springs, and Brooksville. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Lightning can strike 10 miles away from a thunderstorm. Seek a safe shelter inside a building or vehicle. These storms may intensify, so be certain to monitor local radio stations. and available television stations for additional information and possible warnings from the National Weather Service.
The current time is 6:18 p.m. Central Daylight Time.